Hey people, so we are at this place called Tara's Kitchen, and this what we have in front of us is called makuda. It is a Moroccan dish which is basically batter fried vegetable and potato patties. Yeah, so Ayush, if you'd like to take a bite and tell us how it tastes. Yeah, probably even I could have one.
I guess I should just eat it like this.
Yeah.
If any authentic Moroccans or any other country see this,
Wow, among Sindhis we have a dish known as gulabi pakoda. So this is exactly like that. That is, wow, Ayush, how do you find it? How do you like it?
Nice. Let's try this. Let's try this.
Yeah, this is, I think,
Like this.
how I wish I could have brought my rabbits here. Yeah, you have it as a sandwich. Yeah.
Potato patties.
Cheers. Cheers.
Potato patties, but it's better than.
This is so cute. Yeah. It's nice. Ayush, yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it? We have a train. Yeah, it is good. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.